Hello and welcome to my Accounting for Business Decisions A screencast. My name is Abhishek and I'll be covering the basic concepts of petty cash. So what exactly is petty cash? Petty cash is a small amount of cash on hand that is used for paying small amounts owed. This can be used for stationery, office utensils, postage, or even a cup of coffee. It is important that we keep track of what is important in order to replenish the funds by collecting receipts. Replenishing the fund is quite simple. We debit the petty cash account and credit the cash account, as both of these accounts are assets. An increase and decrease in assets still holds the assets equals liabilities plus equity solution true. The problem lies in the amount we have to debit and credit. Let's work on a couple examples to calculate how we find this solution. Table we can see the purchases that have been validated through the collection of receipts and the current petty cash on hand. If we add up the total purchases, we get $80 from our petty cash, and we can calculate that our petty cash expenditure is $80. Hence, the amount we have to debit the petty cash account and credit the cash account is equal to the expenditure amount of $80. It seems simple enough when the numbers are equal, but it can become a lot more complicated due to human processing errors, such as a shortage of purchase receipts, in which case we'll have to use cash shortage and over account. Cash shortage and over account is an income statement account in which shortages or overages in cash are recorded. This is particularly used when replenishing petty cash accounts, as the purchase receipts may not always equal the fund expenditure. Similarly to the previous scenario, our numbers are the same, except that the petty cash on hand after office utensils has been purchased is now $18. If we add up purchases, we get $80. However, since the petty cash in hand is $18, this makes the petty cash expenditure of $82, since we can calculate the shortage of $2 disbursement which have not been accounted for. In this scenario, we have to debit the petty cash account for $80 and shortages and over account of $2. As this shortage is now recorded as an expense incurred, at the same time, we have to credit the cash account for $82 to balance the journal ledger. Well, that wraps it up for my screencast. Hope you are now in possession of some valuable knowledge about petty cash. Thanks.